Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a new utility feature that has been released by the Pi core team, which is used to protect your Pi wallet and the Pi tokens in it from being stolen by anyone. What I'm about to show you now will set your wallet in a way that no person can ever steal Pi coins from your wallet, because if the person tries, that transaction will not go through. This feature is a new feature that once you activate it on your Pi wallet, it will configure your wallet in a way that it will only allow transactions that are done on the native Pi browser linked to your Pi mining app to go through. Which is to say, any transaction that is done on a Pi browser that is not linked to your Pi mining app, that transaction will not go through. That means if somebody steals your passphrase now and tries to go steal your Pi coin from any other Pi browser or from any other system, that person will not succeed because the transaction will not go through. The reason is this setting will configure your wallet in a way that it will only allow transactions done on the Pi browser linked to your Pi mining app to go through. If that Pi browser is not linked to your Pi mining app, it will not go through. That is what guarantees you 100% safety and security over your Pi wallet once you activate this feature. Before we proceed, I will say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button now to stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post interesting videos like this, because I will keep posting interesting videos like this that will help the Pi ecosystem and the crypto space at large. Thank you very much. Now, without wasting much of our time, I will dive into it. I said I'm about to show you a new utility feature that you can activate on your Pi wallet now to protect your Pi wallet and the Pi coins in it from being stolen. No one can steal from you once you do this. So follow my steps the way I will do it exactly the way I will do it now. You will be able to activate yours and have your wallet protected. Let us proceed. To do this, the first thing you do is you locate your Pi browser. This is mine here. You just click on it. And please always allow it load very well so that you don't experience any network issues. Good. And once it's loaded like this, the next thing you do is you click on this home at the upper center part of the screen. Click on it to reveal the address bar of your Pi browser. Beautiful. Once it has opened like this, the next thing you do is you clean up everything here. Just clean it up. And then you type in https / Mainnet -settings .web.app. Good. Don't worry, this URL will be on the description of this video. So once you're ready to do this, just go through the description of this video. You will see this URL there. Copy it and paste into your Pi browser address bar exactly the way I've done this, and you proceed. Please make sure you do this on your Pi browser for your own security and safety. Don't do it any other place. It has to be done on your Pi browser. Thank you very much. And once you've entered it like this, the next thing you do is you click on proceed to navigate to the site. Let us go. Good. Once it has fully loaded like this, the next thing you do is you look for this feature called the anti-scam. As you can see, it is the last one on the list here, and it has new on it, showing that it's a new addition to the ecosystem. So you just click on it to proceed. Click on anti-scam. And on this other page, all you need to do is you click on the anti-scam toggle button to turn it on. So click on it. Good. Here you click on this prompt, you click on this button, verify, because you're about to verify your Pi wallet where you want to activate this feature on. So click on verify to proceed. And on this page, all you need to do is to impute that your wallet's 24-word passphrase where you want to activate this feature on, where you have your Pi tokens stored in. That is the Pi wallet's passphrase that you will impute here to activate this feature on that particular wallet and guarantee its safety. I have mine copied on my clipboard already. All I need to do is to click on this box and long press on it to paste in my phrase. Good. And once I've pasted it like this, the next thing I'll do is to click on this other button here that says unlock with passphrase. So click on it and allow it load. Beautiful. Now I have successfully activated this new feature on my Pi wallet. I am 100% guaranteed now that my Pi wallet and the Pi tokens in it is secured from any unauthorized access. No one can steal my Pi coins now, because if you try to do that, you will not succeed, because my wallet has been configured in a way that it will now allow only transactions done on a Pi browser that is linked to my Pi Mainnet app to go through. So if you take my Pi passphrase to any other Pi browser that is not linked to my Pi Mainnet app and you try to withdraw my Pi coins from it, it will be blocked. It won't be allowed to go through. All thanks to this new feature that the Pi core team have introduced, which I have just activated now on my Pi wallet. Good. So if you're a pioneer out there, I would say you follow the same steps, the same way I did this thing, and activate this feature immediately on your Pi wallet to guarantee the security of your wallet and the tokens in it, so that nobody can steal from you. You know, some pioneers have been complaining of cases of stolen Pi coins from their wallet without their authorization, without their consent. That will not be your story if you activate this utility feature on your Pi wallet immediately. Don't waste time. Once you see this video, just follow these steps and activate these settings on your Pi wallet to assure yourself that your Pi wallet is protected for life. Now, as you can see from this screen, this anti-scam button here has turned yellow, which indicates that I successfully turned this feature on. And also there is a verification success message here, and I would like to read it out. It says, you have successfully turned on anti-scam on your wallet. A confirmation email has been sent to your 2FA email. Cross-check to be sure the wallet address below is your correct wallet's address. If it varies, kindly click on the button below to go back and redo the process. Good. It says I should check this wallet address here to be sure it is my Pi wallet address, and I've checked. Yes, it is my Pi wallet address, and I know it was gotten from the passphrase I imputed on the verification page where I verified my wallet before we got to this page. Good. So please, once you do yours, also check the wallet address displayed here to be sure it is your right wallet address, because any address you see here is on that wallet that this feature has been turned on. That is why you make sure you impute the particular wallet where you want this feature activated on, and it should be where you have your assets stored in. And once you do that and you get to this page, always check to be sure your wallet address will be displayed or is displayed the same way mine is displaying here. That is what we are guarantee you that you did this on the right wallet. And also they said a confirmation email has been sent to my 2FA email. Okay, you know, every pioneer has a 2FA email linked to their Pi app, which is used for verifications and authentications. So if you have not done that as a pioneer, kindly go and activate your 2FA email. It is for your own security and for your own safety. Good. I would now navigate to my email address because I want to confirm that I got this email from the Pi core team. That is what we guarantee it 100% for me that this process has been done successful. I have to receive, or I must receive, a confirmation email from the Pi core team according to what they said here to ascertain that it has been done successfully. So you follow me to my email address. Let me go check for this email from the Pi core team. Let's go. Yeah, this is my email here. I will just click on it to open it. Beautiful, beautiful. I got the email. You can see it here, Pi network support. I got the email from the Pi core team. Okay, and I think what I want to do is I would love to open the email so I can read it out. So join me, let's open it. All right, Okay, let me zoom in a bit so that it will be visible to everybody. And I would love to read. Okay, Pi Network. Okay, yeah. Security notification, anti-scam protection enabled on your Pi wallet. Good. Dear Pioneer, we are notifying you that anti-scam protection has been successfully enabled on your Pi wallet as part of our ongoing commitment to safeguarding your assets. Beautiful. With this protection active, your wallet will process only transactions initiated directly from the native Pi browser linked to your Pi Mainnet app. You remember, that's what I've been telling you from the onset. That is what this feature does. It will restrict transactions to only transactions initiated directly from your Pi browser, the one that is linked to your Pi Mainnet app. That's what this feature does, and that's how it guarantees you this 100% security of your funds. Okay, and they went ahead to say that any transaction attempted through other channels will be automatically blocked to prevent unauthorized activity. Beautiful. So that is to say, anybody that steals your phrase now and tries to access your wallet from any other medium, be it a bot, like most scammers have been using bots to steal from people's wallets. Even if it's a bot that they try to use to move your Pi coins, it will be blocked because that transaction or that medium is not linked to your Pi Mainnet app. It's not a Pi browser linked to your Mainnet app. It's not a system linked to your Pi Mainnet app. So it will be blocked just according to what they said here. Any transaction attempted through other channels includes everything: Pi scam bots, normal Pi browser that is not linked to your Pi Mainnet app. All of them will be blocked. They won't allow the transaction go through, and that is what guarantees the safety of your Pi wallet and your Pi tokens in it. Good. Where am I? Okay, any transaction attempted through other channels will be automatically blocked to prevent unauthorized activity. Good. Okay, the next thing is, if you did not authorize this change, we strongly recommend that you take immediate action to review and update your wallet security settings. Please access the following link exclusively via your Pi browser to deactivate anti-scam protection if necessary. No, it's not necessary. This is to confirm that you are the person, or that I am the person that did this activation. Yes, I'm the one that did it, so I don't have to bother myself about this part. And what else is here? Okay, the URL they said you should refer to. Yes, A is the same URL we imputed at the beginning of this video, where we navigated to the site where we activated this feature on. That same URL is here. It's https://pinet-settings.web.app. Yes, it is here. And don't forget, I told you this URL will be on the description of this video. So once you want to set up yours, kindly go to the description of this video. You will see this URL here, and you copy it, and remember, you paste it inside the address bar of your Pi browser to proceed. And don't forget, it has to be done on your Pi browser. Don't do it any other place for your security. Please don't do it any other place. Make sure you do it on that your Pi browser that is linked to your Pi Mainnet app. Please do it there. Make sure it's a Pi browser that you're doing this on. Please, for your own safety, don't do it any other place. Good. And what else is here? Your security remains our highest priority. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter and for helping us maintain a secure Pi network ecosystem. Sincerely, Pi network support team. And that's the end of the email. Beautiful. Good. Now I am guaranteed that I have activated this new feature on my Pi wallet, so I'm no more scared of anything. Even if you steal my passphrase now, you will not be able to steal my Pi coins from my wallet. All thanks to this new feature from the Pi core team. No one can take my passphrase and steal my Pi coins now. And I would say, if you're a pioneer out there, please, for your safety, for the safety of your funds, kindly follow these steps exactly the way I've showed you now to activate this feature on your Pi wallet. It will save you a lot of harm. It will save you a lot of heartbreak. It will save you a whole lot. Please follow the steps exactly the way I did it. You can play this video as many times as possible. Just follow the steps exactly the same way I did it. You will successfully activate yours also, just like I activated mine on this video that I've showed you now. And that brings us to the end of this video. I will say, if you somehow find this video helpful, please share it to other pioneers out there. Let them be aware of this new feature and go turn it on their Pi wallets immediately to guarantee the security of the assets inside their wallet. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for your time. See you on the next one. Bye bye.